Routine cleaning and disinfecting is important to maintaining a safe campus environment for students, faculty, and staff. To decrease the spread of germs, UNLV is regularly cleaning and sanitizing frequently touched surfaces, but we need everyone's help. And as a faculty member, there are changes you can make in the classroom that will keep you and your students safe. When preparing for an in-person class, you should consider a few things. Turn on the Crestron unit and activate the features you plan to use. You can do this with a stylus pen or your fingers. Wash your hands using hand sanitizer, which must contain at least 60% alcohol, or if there's a sink close by, wash them with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before and after you touch and clean items, including the Crestron screen. Check to see if your face covering fits snug around your face, covering your nose, mouth, and chin. Make sure you can breathe and adjust if necessary before you clean. All faculty teaching in-person classes are provided with a UNLV cleaning kit. Using the wipes from that kit only, clean all of the commonly used classroom items in the instructor space. Sanitize things like the keyboard, mouse, and document camera. Remember, the cleaning solution must remain on the surfaces for the recommended time in order for it to be effective. Please avoid cleaning the Crestron unit directly. The chemicals in the wipes or other cleaning supplies could damage it. Instead, the Crestron equipment is cleaned once a week by the Classroom Technology Services team. Because you'll be wearing a face covering, you may want to use a lapel microphone so that your students can hear you during class. You can check one out from the lead library. If you need assistance with the microphone or are out of cleaning supplies, contact the Classroom Technology Services team. Before your class comes to an end, make sure the room is ready for the next group. Don't forget to shut down the Crestron unit and sanitize your hands again. Routine cleaning and disinfecting can stop the spread of diseases like COVID-19. So let's all work together to ensure a safe teaching and learning environment here at UNLV.